Want to track your daily steps without an Apple Watch? You totally can. In this video, I'm gonna show you a simple step-by-step guide to track your steps right from your iPhone. First, make sure fitness tracking is turned on. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Motion and Fitness. Now, turn on fitness tracking. That's what lets your iPhone count every step you take. Now, let's jump into the methods. The first method is using the fitness app. Without an Apple Watch, the fitness app mainly focuses on your step count. Launch the fitness app on your iPhone. Tap Allow for the required permissions, complete the setup, and add your profile. Enter your personal details so the tracking is accurate. Next, tap the Summary tab to see your activity, like steps and distance. Keep in mind, if you're using an Apple Watch, you'll get even more detailed data, such as exercise, move, and stand rings. You can track it on your iPhone home screen using the fitness widget, as I added on my iPhone. Refer to my separate tutorial on how to add a fitness widget on the home screen. If your step tracking isn't working right, make sure low power mode is turned off. That can affect tracking accuracy. For a more detailed look at your health, try the second method, using the Health app. Open the Health app from your iPhone's home screen, allow the on-screen permissions, and finish the setup for precise tracking. Then, tap on the Summary tab and scroll down to the Highlights section. You'll see your step count right there. Tap on it to view detailed stats by day, week, month, or even year. Then, tap the profile icon in the upper corner. Tap Health Details to make sure your info is accurate for better calculations. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart iPhone tips and tricks coming your way.